Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, Sydney. This is a Porsche 986 that I stripped down before to actually do the IMS bearing. All my parts have come in, so I've done the IMS bearing. That's the IMS bearing there. That's all done, and then let's go to the other side. So this is all done as well. I've put the modified gear, driver, the gear, modified gear into there. On this side here, inside there, inside there. Which is this one here. That one there's a modified gear. So that's in. So that's just gonna go in like that. Like that. Alright, so it's all ready. New gasket here. All here. Now I'm going to actually put the actual oil pump cover back on this side here. As you can see, brand new gaskets here. I've got my new oil new seal for the actual rear main seal. I'm going to install the rear main seal after this. So here, but the IMS bearing is done. So when I finished, once I finish the actual rear main seal, which go here, brand new one's going to go on. Special tool to install them, otherwise it's going to be no 100% square, and then we'll start leaking again if you don't do it properly. Alright, so I've got the IMS bearing. I'm doing the other side. I'm putting the oil pump back on the other side. The modified driven gear is all done. Put it in there, the little hole in the side. Yeah, we're just building everything back on, so everything's still locked on. Timing's still locked. Bank 1 timing still locked as well. As you can see there, the timing camshaft locked, and then this one's locked here with the crankshaft. So yeah, we are pretty much in the assembly mode now. I'm going to install the rear main seal and then keep going on this engine because I've got all the parts. Alright, thanks for watching. Actually, sorry, I'll do another video tomorrow when the gearbox and the clutch and all that go on. Because the gearbox just came back. I think it was last week or the week after. I'm not sure. It came back here. This was getting rebuilt. Just the back side here. They stripped it down, so they actually replaced the little O-ring inside here on the selector. And they leak. Usually they leak from here, and then they go to the back there. But the O-rings inside here, they leak. So this one here is all done. Nice and done a good job. Got to top up the oil, make sure everything's fine while I'm doing this one here. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.